Hey guys, it's our day 2 here in New York, and my husband and I were about to head down to grab some brunch, actually lunch, and then we have helicopter tour after lunch. So let's go, day 2 in New York. You guys, it's freezing here in New York. Can you say? We are walking to the restaurant now and it's freezing, you guys. It's so cold.
It's just like what I'm doing now.
Yeah, because it's cold.
You walk, zip, and you put your hands in your pocket. Oh, speaking. This is 9th. Is this 9th? I think this we turn here.
Hey honey, are you not freezing?
No, it's okay.
It's okay for him, but for me it's freezing. What's going on? There's a lot of fire trucks.
There's always stuff going on here, I think.
Yeah, that's crazy. It's freezing, and there's about 4, 5 fire trucks? 6. So what's going on, New York? It's a bunch of Santas. All of them dressed up as Santa. Oh, you guys, if you are here in New York, check this Filipino restaurant here. This is what we order, and this is the mini lumpia, so good. And this is the beef soup, sour soup, and chicken barbecue for my husband, and adobo. It's very yummy and it's worth it. A must to have in New York. Hey guys, my husband and I were done eating, and now we are walking, going to the Broadway. The food was really good, so I highly recommend to eat at that tradition food. It was delicious and totally worth it. Don't feel judgy about the place, because I was hesitant at first because the place is super tiny. We only have like 3 tables to dine in, but I'm telling you, it's amazing food, so a must try. So that's the famous Christmas tree at Rockefeller Center. And this is the Rockefeller Center Christmas tree. And hubby's right here. So it's quite crowded here. But I think last night when my husband and I walking back to the hotel, it was not crowded like this. It was like 1 a.m. So it looks like it's better to go out at midnight if you don't want to deal with the crowd. But look, yeah, I think it would look so pretty at night. It looks pretty daytime, but probably a lot better at night. So this is the other side. And Santa right there. So we're waiting for our Uber right now. We are at H&M in front of the Lululemon. That's the biggest Lululemon I've ever seen. It's like 3-story, and we didn't have time to shop, but we asked if they have a bathroom, and they don't have any bathroom. So I think that's the hard part here in New York, finding a bathroom, because most places we go in, there's no public bathroom or even for the customers. So it's kind of hard to find a bathroom around here. But it's really cold and it's crowded, so yeah, it's challenging to go around here. We are waiting for our Uber ride, and we are actually running late to our helicopter tour, and it's a non-refundable, and we almost paid $900. So my husband is stressing out, but he's happy now the Uber is here. As we are driving to the helicopter tour place, I am seeing all this bridge. It's so pretty and it feels so good that something you will often see in the movie or TV, now you are seeing it in person. It's a really overwhelming feeling, and I'm so grateful that my husband and I are able to experience this. So we actually made it, guys. We thought that we have to cancel this. We are waiting for our turn, and we got all the life vest. So waiting. Ours is at 4 o'clock, and right now, what time is it? It's 3:47 in the afternoon. So our appointment is at 4. So.
I hold you close in the night in my arms, and when we open our eyes, my worries fade away, 'cause you gave me your heart in the light of day, in the light of day. And when we open our eyes, my worries fade away, 'cause you gave me your heart in the light of day, in the light of day.
Hey guys, we finished our helicopter tour, and I was sitting in the front and my husband was sitting in the back along with other 4 people. But I sit in the front beside the pilot, and it was amazing. I am normally scared of heights, but I think my excitement took over my fear, and I was not scared, and I really enjoyed the entire tour. I wish for everyone. Yes, yes, and it's amazing. The glass on the front of the helicopter is super clean and clear, and you will see everything, like everything. And I wish for everyone to actually experience it. I wish that my husband could able to sit in the front, but they have to arrange the seating in terms of weight. So yeah, I was picked to sit in the front, and it was amazing. It's worth every penny, even though we spent almost $900 for 2 tour, but it's worth it. Yeah. So after the tour, my husband and I took an Uber ride to grab a quick dinner to bring back to the hotel. It's like a quick grab and go. That way we can just chill at the hotel, eat there, and relax for a little bit before we go out again later tonight. We are going to get pizza, and I don't know where we're at, but let's go get some pizza. Right here, walk. Are we going this way?
Yes, 𝐲𝐷𝐀𝐕𝐄𝐋 𝐕𝐋𝐿𝐲.
Oh, we're getting there. Husband saw this pizza place on Yelp and it has a higher good rating, so I guess it must be good, and it has a long line. Our pizza now back on our Uber ride. This is a different ride from earlier, but we are stuck in traffic. Actually, traffic in New York late at night is not good, so we are glad we didn't took a taxi, otherwise we will have to spend a lot of money. Uber ride is more affordable around New York, because if you are stuck on traffic, what you pay is a flat rate compared to riding a taxi. You know, you have to do the meter and you will pay more. So we got off early and the traffic is stuck right there, and we're back at the hotel. It took us about 1 hour and a half, so it's quite a terrible traffic. Hey guys, we finally back to our hotel and the traffic was terrible. It was supposed to be 4 miles and it took us 1.5 hours. Traffic is crazy. And our pizza is probably ice cold.
It's room temperature.
It's room temperature, so we're back at the hotel now and we're gonna eat the pizza and then we're probably gonna just walk around. We are going back to our room to eat our pizza. It's terrible traffic. So we're back to the room and let's eat the pizza. Hey guys, so this is our pizza. We're about to enjoy it. Look how much pepperoni this one is. And look how big this pizza. You see that? Like, that's just one slice. And this one right here is a huge. Look at that. So if you want one, that's huge. And my husband ordered the whole sliced pizza. I mean the whole round pizza. And that one. And I told him, like, I think maybe one slice for you here and one slice for me there. Maybe one slice, just maybe 1 or 2 slices for each. And it looks like we're having pizza party by ourselves. And the traffic is crazy. We got there. My husband and I got stuck on traffic, and that's the road. And we're looking at it now. It looks like they're not even moving, and we're just happy we made it to the room, and now we can relax and watch movie and enjoy this cold pizza. But my husband asked downstairs at the lobby to send us the small microwave, and they're letting us use this small microwave. So let's go have a pizza party. Guys, so we finished eating our pizza, and now my husband and I were gonna go walk around Times Square and check out a few buildings or landmarks that are well known, so that way we won't waste our vacation here in New York. And let's go night sightseeing. Hi guys, so I am in the bed now with my husband. We are about to go to bed. It's almost 1 o'clock in the morning, and tomorrow is a big day because it's gonna be officially tomorrow. We will be celebrating our 13 years being married together, and yeah, 13 years is a lot. Have so much happened for our our marriage and being together. So we're gonna celebrate it tomorrow with our 13 years anniversary, so stay tuned for that. That's going to be up next of this New York vlog, and see you tomorrow. We're gonna be having a lot of adventure, just like as much as today. Tomorrow we're gonna try to hit all the famous landmark like Central Park and the train station, the 9/11, the Memorial Tower, the Twin Tower. We're gonna try to get there, and Starbucks, hunting for the collectible mugs because we collect that as well. So stay tuned for the next vlog. It's going to be super fun, exciting, and hopefully nothing scary, just as much as what happened today. And hopefully you enjoy this vlog. I'll see you tomorrow. Good night.